Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Kemp and I have earned a bachelor's degree of animal science with an emphasis in equine science from New Mexico State University. And I feel like my educational background has prepared me to be a good communicator through the scientific realm, meaning that I needed to be able to effectively communicate verbally, written, and physically to convey important messages. Good communication was talked about in the readings a lot, and I feel like there was multiple definitions given, and I feel that these were the best definitions that sort of covered everything that was being discussed in these readings. So these two first definitions are both from the books. And continued on, there's two more definitions from the readings I did online, and I feel like they overall had the same goal in mind as to how they're going to define good communication. And here is my definition of good communication. I felt that the best form of this is to have an endpoint of either learning or understanding between oneself and others. So being able to communicate with yourself and understand or learn something as well as others, so that way there's common ground and everyone understands what the purpose of that communication was. Here are my goals for the course. I want to become a better writer and a communicator and become more focused with readings, because I know reading is important. Be able to apply and retain the knowledge that I learned in this course to my personal life. I want to be able to apply it to my schoolwork, my job, and also my personal life. I feel like that's so important to be able to do that with the stuff that you learn in school. And I feel like these three goals will help me attain my goals in my career by being the best educator I can be, because I am working towards being an extension agent, working in extension education, and here is just a quick references cited, and I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.